Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make christening invitation cards on Canva. The first thing you want to do once you have created your Canva account, which is completely free, you're going to tap on the search bar right here. And all I want you to do is type in christening. After you have typed in christening, you're going to tap on enter. After doing that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll see numerous christening invitation card templates that you can choose from. And keep in mind that any one of the templates that you see with a gold crown, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But don't worry, there are numerous templates that you can use for free. As you can see right here, this is a beautiful one. And you can also scroll down and you can see different ones, as you can see right there, that you can choose from. You can see this one also. There are numerous options that you can choose from. So all you'll need to do is tap on one of your liking. But let's say, for example, I wanted to use this one. All I would need to do is simply tap on it. After you have selected the invitation card that you would like to use, as you can see right here, and you can also scroll down and you can see similar options that you could choose from. You can simply tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you will be redirected to a new page. And on this new page, you'll now be able to edit your christening invitation card. So you'll be able to upload a picture of the baby that will be getting christened. So all you'll need to do to upload an image, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select uploads. After selecting uploads, you would tap on upload files right here, and that will give you access to your device, and from there you would be able to select the image that you would like to add. But for this example, I will be using a royalty-free image from Canva. So all I did was go over to elements, and from there I could type in baby, and let's say, for example, it is a baby boy. So I'll simply type in baby boy right there. And after you have done that, I could all. Then from there, I could scroll down. Let's say I would like to use this image. So I'll simply drag and place the image right there. So you can see right there. You can also edit the image. So for example, let's say I would like to carry down the image some more. All you'd have to do is simply double tap on it, and then you'll be able to edit the image. Now, if you would like to change the background color, so let's say I would like to change the background color a bit, I could simply select the entire page, then tap on the color box in the top left-hand corner. And from tapping on the color box, you could scroll down and let's play around with colors. So let's say, for example, we want to use a brighter shade of blue. As you can see right there, you can do that. And you can also change the name right here, which more than likely you're going to be doing. So let's say, for example, I want to change the name. So let's join. You can see right there. And then you can also change the date by simply tapping on the date box right here. And from there, you could edit the dates. So let's say right there. And you could edit the name of the church also, or the location that the christening will be held. And you can also change the location right here. Now, once you're finished doing all of this, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right-hand corner, and you're going to tap on share. After selecting share, you're going to scroll down, and you're going to tap on download. Once you have selected download, you're going to tap on download right here, and you'll be able to download your christening invitation card. Once you have done that, you'll now be able to print them, or you'll be able to share them via email if you want. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.